After unboxing, you'll find 2 seatbelt ambient light units, 3 wiring harnesses, a control box, and a small pry tool. Start with the driver's side. Open the cover on the light. Slip it over the seatbelt buckle. Then snap the cover back on. Next, feed the wire down through the gap in the seat. Grab the power extension cable with 2 ends. Connect one side to the light. And leave a little slack. Route the wire along the seat rail and under the center console, so it won't get pinched when the seat moves forward or back. Run the extension over to the passenger side, tucking it neatly out of sight. Install the passenger light the same way. Then feed its wire through the seat gap. Now use the harness with 3 connectors. To join the extension cable and the passenger light. Tuck away any extra wire and run the remaining lead down toward the passenger side trim. Here, you'll need to remove the door seal, side panel, and 1 clip. I've already got these off. Then take off the door sill trim and route the wiring along the factory harness. Finally, grab the control box and connect it to the wire you just ran through. Open the box. Unplug the factory connector, plug it into the new harness, and connect the light's wire into the other port on the control box. Once everything's hooked up, close the box. Tidy up the wires and tuck them under the trim. Reinstall the sill trim. Snap the clip back in and put the side panel and seal back in place. And that's it. The seatbelt ambient light install is complete.